Good day everyone. In this video, I will be showing you how to use AutoFill to complete a series of values in Google Sheets. This tutorial should be pretty straightforward and really easy to follow, so anyone should be able to do this if you watch carefully. Now, let us get started. As you can see, I'm currently on a Google Sheets file with a set of numbers, numerical values in my cell A1, and on my cell B1 I have a numerical value which is determined by a specific formula. Now, before proceeding with the tutorial itself, I want you to make sure that the Google Chrome you're using is completely up to date, and this is so that we can avoid any unexpected errors that we will encounter along the way. Now, as you can see in my Google Sheets file, here again I have the in my cell B1 I have the formula, which is a sum formula or function rather. If you don't know how to create formulas or functions, please be sure to check out the video that we have included in our dedicated playlist compiling all the Google Sheets tutorial on our YouTube channel. So please be sure to check it out. Now, to use AutoFill to complete the series of value, let's say for example I have the values 2, 3, and 4 that I would like to autofill. It's actually quite simple. I want you to click on the cell or the formula that you would like to copy so that we can fill in along these values. All you have to do is to, as you can see right here, I have my formula. All you have to do is to click on this cell because this is what contains our formula. As you can see on the top part over here, we have equals sum, open close parenthesis, A1, semicolon, A4. And as you can see, once the cell is highlighted, it means that we are currently on the active cell. Now from our active cell, as you can see on our bottom right corner, we have the blue dot. We just need to hover our mouse to this blue dot as it turns into the plus icon, and once it turns into plus icon, just left click on it and drag it across either horizontally or vertically. Now release the button once you hit the cell in which you would like to cross or autofill the specific set of values, like so. And as you can see, as I drag it down, these formulas has an increment depending on the corresponding cell that you added. From here, we can easily autofill the set of series of values in Google Sheets. If you learned something in this video, please consider subscribing and dropping a like. And from here, I'll see you guys next time, and thank you for watching.